my name is Courtney, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. And keep in mind, these are all things you can do yourself without my help. And yeah, first thing I want to go over is, in order to be optimized with Google, you need 1,500 words of content. You guys have exactly that, which is really good. Which is really good. However, content isn't really the only thing, so it would be helpful if you added more keywords within your content to receive more clicks to your website. Now, if we hop over here, we can see these are your competitors. Now, they have less content on their front page than you, but they have more keywords. And I know this because of Aeris. Now, Aeris is a tool that shows you how Google is ranking each and every website. And as we see here, this is your website. You guys have 15 organic keywords. Meanwhile, your competitors have 2,500 keywords. So if I click on this, we can see here that these are your guys' top keywords, and this is the one that receives the most clicks. So Beehive Plumbing receives 800 clicks a month, but you guys receive 2.5, about 2 of those clicks every month, and you guys are in the first position. Now, if you add more keywords, you can get keywords that receive more clicks within a month. And if you get positioned high enough, you can receive more and more clicks depending on what the keyword is and your position. If we go over here to your competitors, we can see that these are their keywords. Now we can see My Plumbing has 1,800 clicks a month, and they're receiving 84 of those clicks, and they're not in the first position even. So you could definitely add more keywords within your content, and you can make it flow smoothly as well. The next thing that I wanted to go over was backlinks. Now, backlinks are just links between sites. But backlinks are the external links, so there are more links within your site as well. Now, links work like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, so Site A is providing traffic to Site B, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's like a popularity contest. So if Site A is already gaining more traffic, it is already a popular site, and it is providing traffic to your site, it will be more beneficial to you. And so we see here you guys have 58 backlinks, and compared to competitors who have 4,000 backlinks. Now that's a big difference. And when we get over to the next section that I want to talk about, we will see how the amount of backlinks and keywords can make a big difference, as well as how relative and effective each one is. Having said that, let's move on to the next thing I wanted to go over, which was the Google Map Pack. Now, this is a very good thing to be on, which we can see you guys already are. And that's really good to be on, because you receive 35% of the clicks most of the time when you're on the Map Pack. Now, your competitors are right here underneath you. So you guys clearly have enough citations in order to rank in the Map Pack. But for some reason, you guys are receiving less organic traffic per month than your competitors. You guys receive 18 clicks, meanwhile your competitors are receiving 523 of those clicks. So why is that? Probably because of the lack of keywords and backlinks compared to your competitors, because those do help get you optimized and have more authority within Google. Once again, we went over your front page needs 1,500 words of content with more keywords added in smoothly. And we also went over the fact you need more relevant links pointing at you guys as well. And yeah, well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can email me back. Once again, my name is Courtney and my email is courtney@haydenseo.com. I look forward to hearing from you. All feedback is welcomed and encouraged. I hope you have a great one.